Learned all.
Testing. You got us both?
I'm good. You guys are both running? Yep. Cool.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Shawn, Autotopia LA. If you couldn't figure it out, we're back up at my pal Dave's house here in Orange. We got JF from JF Customs down from Canada. You're here for Grand National. You got the Cougar with you.
Yeah. We figured what a better place to test drive it than with you.
I love it. Because you said the car only has a few miles on it right now. You've barely done any test miles.
4 test miles in front of the shop.
And typically I would be like, hit me up when you got 500 miles on it, right? But you also deep in the race world.
Yeah, we run a full road race team. So we're very familiar with preparing a car, get to the track, race it, and do what you need to do with it. In fact, when we won Detroit in 2014, I had a point to prove with that car. I was doing donuts with it within the week, taking my daughter to school with it, and we actually raced it at Optima Street Car Challenge. So we do enjoy making cars artistic, but we really enjoy showing that our art can function as a car. Think that if this car can be something that inspires the next generation to keep building old cars, then my work wasn't sort of lost in the translation of time, right?
Yeah.
No, those were actually stock.
Okay,
So I have a thing about door handles. If I'm building a car that I don't want to look trendy in 10 to 15 years, chrome bumpers, chrome door handles on a 60s car. And it's gonna
really
work,
not.
watch.
Yeah,
See,
every time.
it works.
Nah, and they feel right.
You don't have to sit there with your fob trying to make it.
Okay. Well, let's go do our
All
driving,
right,
man.
let's do it.
Cool. In this already. I've been in the car for a couple of seconds, man. And
That's for sure.
this car's so cool, man.
I think she's all there. I think I'm gonna do it again, but try to launch it that way. And
More
kinda give
donuts,
you,
and then he wants to take off.
I think so.
But here we go
Good
again.
to go?
So badass.
that makes me happy. I think it's your turn. You want to drive?
Yes, I want to drive. I really want to drive. What a sexy machine, man.